So last class we have seen the question 4x square y double dash minus 8x square y dash plus 4x square plus 1 y equal to 0. So we have obtained one Frobenius series solution, so that is y1 equal to x raised to 1 by 2 e raised to ax. Now if you are asked to find the second solution, so there you can use what is called the method of reduction of order. So if you have one solution of a second order differential equation, so there you can obtain the second solution as, so y2 will be u y1, where u is equal to integral 1 by y1 square e raised to minus integral p dx. So using this, here you will get 1 by y1 square for the x e raised to 2x varum, e raised to minus integral, here p will be the coefficient of y dash, so that is minus 8x square by 4x square dx varum dx. So that will be integral 1 by x e raised to 2x, so this is e raised to integral 2 dx varum. So that is integral 1 by x e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x dx. So you are going to get e raised to 2x will cancel off. So the integral value is log x. So therefore the second solution is u into y2. So that is log x into x raised to 1 by 2 e raised to x. So that is the second solution. So therefore now you can write down the general solution. So general solution will be c1 x raised to 1 by 2 e raised to x plus c2 ln x raised to 1 by 2 e raised to x. So this is one technique of finding the general solution when you are given only, or you have obtained only a single solution. Now let us look at one more problem on finding the Frobenius series solution. So the problem is equation x square y double dash minus 3xy dash plus 4x plus 4y equal to 0 has only one Frobenius series solution. So you need to find out that particular solution. So let us start with the solution of the form x raised to m into summation an x bar n. So we need to find m value. So first let us find the initial equation. So let y equal to x raised to m into summation an x bar n be the solution of the equation. Then we have y double dash minus 3 by x varum y dash plus 4x plus 4 by x square y equal to 0. So when you take xp of x will be minus 3 and x square q of x will be equal to 4x plus 4. So here p naught will be equal to minus 3 and q naught will be equal to 4. So therefore the initial equation is m into m minus 1 plus p naught m upon minus 3m plus 4 varum equal to 0. So that is m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. So that is m minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So you will get m equal to 2. So both roots are equal to 2. So therefore y will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity an x raised to n plus 2. Now let us find y dash. So y dash will be summation n equal to 0 to infinity n plus 2 an x raised to n plus 1 varum. So y double dash will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity n plus 2 into n plus 1 an x power n. Now let us substitute it to the equation. So our equation is x square y double dash minus 3xy dash plus 4x y plus 4y equal to 0. So this is what we are going to get. First series ഇത് വരും. Now here x raised to n plus 3 ഒരെണ്ണത്തിലുണ്ട്. I am making the power as x raised to n plus 2. So the sum will start from 1 to infinity. അപ്പം ഞാൻ എല്ലാ സമ്മും ഇനി 1 to infinity start ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ extra terms right side ലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോവുക. So you will get summation n equal to 1 to infinity. So you will have n plus 2 into n plus 1 an x raised to n plus 2 and for right side lo varunathu minus 2 a naught x square ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത് and the second series is minus 3 n plus 2 an. So it is minus 3 n plus 2 an x raised to n plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 a naught x square varum and here you will have say 4 an minus 1 x raised to n plus 2 varum and last one will be 4an x raised to n plus 2. 4an x raised to n plus 2. So this is summation n equal to 1 to infinity. So on the right side you will get minus 4 a naught x square ആയിരിക്കും വരിക. So on the right side you are getting 0. So therefore you can combine all the terms and you will get n plus okay, n plus 2 into n plus 1 is n square plus 3n plus 2 an minus 3n plus 6 an plus 4 an minus 1 varum plus 4 an equal to x bar n plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore 3 n cancel out, then you have 2 and 4, so 6 an also will cancel off. So you will get summation, okay, reconciliation you will get n square an n in the term constant term cancel out. So n square an plus 4 n minus 1 that will be equal to 0. So an will be 4 an minus 1 by n square. So that will be the value of an. So therefore now y will be x square into a naught very madhyam, then a1 will be 4 a naught, so plus 4 a naught x varum. Then when you find a2 is going to be 4 by 2 square into a1, so that is again 4 a naught. So okay, here there is a minus sign, sorry. So a1 in a minus 4 a naught ആയിരിക്കും, a2 എടുക്കുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും okay minus a1 അപ്പോൾ വരുമ്പോൾ plus ആവും. Okay, so here you have a minus sign, then this is again 4 a naught x square minus etc. So you will get a naught into x square 1 minus 4x plus 4x square minus etc. So this is the required solution. So we are asked to find a single Frobenius series solution. So this is the required